Alright, time to get nerdy at hyperspeed. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of fabric friction and biomechanics. Get ready for a wild ride. Ever wondered what science says, what the experts have discovered about the most efficient way, the absolute optimal strategy to take off your trousers, your jeans, your denim, your pants? Stick with me and prepare to have your mind blown because you'll never glance at your jeans the same way again. It's a promise. First up, jeans aren't just fabric. They're not just cotton and dye. They're complex friction machines, intricate systems of resistance. Studies from the Journal of Textile Science show, with rigorous data and analysis, that up to 63% of the effort, more than half of your energy expenditure in removing trousers is directly attributable from lower leg resistance, the tightness around your calves. Yes, your calves are fighting you. They're the enemy. The most common wrong method, the absolute worst approach, yanking from the waistband while standing, a classic mistake. That's only 47% efficient, less than half effective, based on a 2018 Japanese study. So don't do it. Here's what works better, the scientifically proven method. Sit down, find a chair, take a seat, slightly lean back, recline just a bit, adjust your posture and lift your knees one at a time. This is key to success. This reduces friction by 27%, a significant decrease in resistance according to a 2020, very recent German biomechanics paper. Trust the science. You want to pinch the fabric, grab the material at the knees, not the ankles, focus on the right spot and pull upward, lift towards the sky. Why? Because the jeans loosen, the fabric gives way, at the knees first, that's the key point. Think of it like unzipping, releasing the tension, a stubborn suitcase. It needs a little finesse. Want more speed? Need to be even quicker? Sliding your hands between the denim, creating space and your skin at the calves. Reducing direct contact, reduces grip force by another 19%. It's all about technique. So, total efficiency score? Let's calculate the overall improvement. Seated in a chair, properly positioned, pinch at knees, grab the fabric, slide hands, glide them smoothly. Up to 81% faster, a massive improvement than the classic hop and wiggle, the old, inefficient method. Crazy, right? It's mind-blowing. But how do you use this every day? How can you apply this knowledge? Next time you're changing after work, switching to casual wear, or in a hurry at the gym, rushing to change, remember, keep this in mind. Sit, take a seat, lean, recline slightly, pinch, grab the fabric, slide, glide your hands. You'll save seconds, precious moments, and possibly your dignity. Avoid awkward moments, especially when you find yourself in a public locker room. It's a game changer. The science is in, the results are clear. Awkward wriggling is out. It's a thing of the past. Photos, images, visuals, studies, research publications, big titles, prominent headlines. Yep, you saw it all, the whole package. Remember, the assembly of public facts, the collection of data, can be imperfect. Always be critical. 60 Sec University class, non-year 130, another lesson in our series offered by lepreuve.com, your source for knowledge, source of the origin of nopal, the prickly pear, silphium, the ancient herb, garum, the Roman fish sauce, and pinole, the traditional beverage. Latest scientific info, always stay updated, distrust, revise, subscribe, and keep learning.